orientation was insane. I am finally in my apartment. I'm in my placement. I went to work today. It was a whole thing. You get off the bus from orientation and you are picked up by your co-teacher and you are off. Like you are onto it. So be prepared, get a lot of sleep, which you're not gonna do, but you should try. Anyway, let me show you my apartment. So here's your free Daegu apartment tour. Okay, so I have a wet room, first of all. Toiletry is not included, toilet spray included, toilet paper included. Not in your contract, just my landlady seems to be really nice. Toilet, it's a wet room. So turn the knob this way for that and turn the knob the other way, like that way, and it will come out of that. I'm not demonstrating because, well, I'm not gonna change clothes yet. So, solid door, ignore my sheets, I just moved in. This is the little Sally port. I got a full-size fridge, which I think is dope. Like fridge and freezer, love that. Whole pantry, microwave. This belongs to the school. A lot of this belongs to the school. Little compost bin that I'm gonna store in my freezer. A little gas stove. I have literally, when I tell you I have not a pot, not a pan, not a utensil, not a plate, nothing. Like nothing. Also, apparently you don't drink the water here, so getting a filter tomorrow. I have this little thing. I have no idea what that glove thingy is on the floor. I mean, what that glove thingy is doing on the floor. I'm gonna figure that out. Little tray, little thing. They left me some laundry soap. Thank you. And these little things. These little wet room shoes. Have a washer. I do not believe it is also dryer. I think it is just a washer. But look at these little pictograms. Regular wash, rapid wash, hand wash, spin cycle, stained, bedding. Like, this is level of water. This is temperature. Yeah, that's pretty much it. On and off. Pause and not pause. Play, that's the word. And then of course, this delightful little hanging rack that I believe I can raise if I somehow play my cards right. Yeah, sorry. It raises with this little pulley and string, but I don't know that I will because I don't know that it's necessary. Also, this leads out to the outside, but I'm not showing you where I live because I don't want to get murdered. So this little table and chair belongs to the school. The mattress belongs to the school. The extension cord belongs to me. I have a wonderful TV and mine came with internet. Thank you, co-teacher. Best in the world. An incredibly efficient air conditioner. And of course, this little doohickey that controls the water heat that I don't quite understand how it works. Turn it on, poke this for showers, increase temperature. This side is shower temperature, this side is house temperature. This is a cool thing. It's a little maintenance button, so like you maintain the temperature in the house. So you can turn it down when you leave and like it'll just stay. And I think that's supposed to be peeled off, but I'm not gonna be the one to do it. Still haven't figured out what this is for. And I think that is it. That is my apartment tour. I hope you have enjoyed it. I will probably update again in like 3 to 6 months when I have decorated it. You might even get this video in 3 to 6 months. It is August. I have moved in. I'm also incredibly behind. I still have Europe videos I have not posted, so see you in October. But anyway, thank you for following on this journey. Orientation was crazy. It was useful. Don't let it freak you out because it is a lot. Like if you are going through it now or about to go through it, it's a lot. Do not freak out and run. Or like, I mean, if your gut tells you to freak out and run, you can freak out and run. But I was freaking out. But they're super helpful. They're super nice. Everyone in Korea has been so nice since I got here. This will not be the experience for everybody, but I have noticed that the people I have met have generally been very kind and helpful, welcoming people who want to see me like Korea. So it's solid. First impressions, 10 out of 10. Tteokbokki, just as good as it looks in those Instagram reels. The ice drinks that you peel off, just as good as they look. So it is a Friday. I just went out to dinner with some friends, and I have the whole weekend. I can like breathe, I can get ready for the week. I'm actually like, I'm pretty excited. It's gonna be a lot, but I'm pretty excited.